It's pouring rain out and thunder and lightning, which is very rare for us. Like, not the rain, but the thunder and lightning. Trying to catch some of it. The sky is lighting up. The lightning is that bright. I'm going to try to catch it again. Okay, I gotta get closer. See if I can catch any of the lightning. It is pouring from the heavens, as you can hear. Oh, there you go. There's some lightning. Thunder eased off a little bit. It was booming just a while ago. The house was shaking. See if I catch another lightning strike. Oh, there you go. Another one.